What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blazing Grass Lawn Care, and welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I string trim the entire backyard. And the reason I'm doing this is because the gate is stuck. Not sure what they did to it, but it can't open both ways unless I take some of the nails out, and I don't feel like doing it. Don't feel like messing with it. And it just finished raining as well, and everything is soggy. The soil is super spongy, and my goal is to get this done. So yes, it may not look like much from the top view, but you know, you'll see at the end I am actually taking this down. Now this is supposed to be centipede grass, but as you can tell, it isn't growing because number one, it gets a lot of shade, and centipede grass need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. And the other factor is that there are several pine trees that are dropping the needles, and this is, believe me when I tell you, this is super clean compared to the way it usually look. So I'm using a Kress Commercial string trimmer with the nano battery, and again, the goal is to just, you know, hit it real quick, make it look presentable. And by the way, this is a bi-weekly, and no, I don't do this all the time. I figure, you know, the gate is stuck, and there are family members coming by to repair it, so why not just hit it real quick, and you know, hey, makes a good video, right? For you guys to like to just kind of hear the sound. So yeah, like, share, follow, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. Enjoy the rest of the video. And again, this is a good workout. It's, you know, no big deal. And I know some of you guys are gonna say, man, you should have charged an additional fee. Nah, guys, let me tell you, this thing took 5 minutes, probably even less than that. And you know, this is my neighbor, so why not just hit it real quick and get some good exercise, right? Okay, guys, enjoy.